Hi everybody, I'm making Grandma's Supreme Potato Salad. I'm using 3 pounds of red potatoes boiled until fork tender and cut into 1/2 inch bite-sized cubes. Use red potatoes for this recipe. I'm using 1½ cup of mayo, 1/3 cup of Grey Poupon mustard, 1/4 cup of yellow mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. We'll be adding in 1 very finely diced red onion. This adds beautiful color. And then we will add in 1 cup of finely diced celery. Use 1 dill pickle very finely chopped, and use about 1 tablespoon of pickle juice. I substitute that for vinegar. Next, we're adding 1/4 cup of chopped black and green olives. This is an ingredient you can omit if you wish. Then 2 coarsely chopped hard-boiled eggs. And last, a small jar of diced pimentos. With your large mixing spoon, fold all of these ingredients together. Use a large bowl. This recipe serves 12 easily. We've put in 3 pounds of boiled red potatoes, bite size, 1 finely diced red onion, 1 cup of finely diced celery, 1 dill pickle, finely chopped, using about a tablespoon of pickle juice also, 1/4 cup of chopped black and green olives, 2 coarsely chopped hard-boiled eggs, and we put in a small jar of diced pimentos. I used 1½ cups of mayo, 1/3 cup of Grey Poupon mustard, and 1/4 cup of yellow mustard. If you'd like, you can use about a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Finally, I'll sprinkle fried bacon bits on the top of the salad. I don't fold these in thoroughly. I leave them mostly on the top. This is Grandma's Supreme Potato Salad. Let me hear how you like this salad. And please like and subscribe for future recipes.